Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple but super useful tutorial, how to create separate pages in your Wix website. So if you've ever wondered how to add new destinations like a contact page, a gallery, or maybe a personal section to your site, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to organize your Wix website with multiple pages, making it way more professional and easier for your visitors to navigate. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're at your Wix Web Design dashboard. That's your creative command center, where you manage all the magic behind your website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and open Wix in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're there, select the website you're working on and click on Edit Site. This opens up your editor workspace, a place you're probably getting familiar with by now, and here's where you'll add those new pages. Next, you want to look on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several icons. What we're interested in today is the one labeled Pages and Menu. Think of this as your list of all the sections of your website, just like chapters in a book. Clicking on Pages and Menu will expand a panel showing all the pages you currently have, like your home page or About page. This is the spot where you'll manage, organize, and create new sections of your site. If you've ever thought, I want visitors to easily jump from my home page to a special portfolio section, you're in the right place. Now, to add a new page, just click on the Add Page button right at the bottom of the panel. It's usually marked with a plus sign, making it easy to spot. This step might take a few moments as Wix sets up a fresh canvas for you. Here, you have a couple of options for page types. Wix gives you templates with different layouts, but today, let's keep things simple and choose blank page. This option is perfect if you want total control over the content and the design, just like starting with a fresh sheet of paper. At this point, you'll see an area to type the name of your new page. Go ahead and enter whatever makes sense for your site. For example, if you're making a personal page, type Personal Page C, or any label that works for you. Naming your pages thoughtfully helps both you and your visitors keep track of what's where. Once you've added the new page, let's say you want to make sure the name is exactly how you want it. Maybe you want to tweak the spelling or update the label later. That's totally fine. To do this, look for the three dots. These are like little menus packed with extra options next to your new page in the Pages and Menu panel. Click on the three dots, then select Rename. Type in Personal Page or whatever fits your needs. This feature is super handy because as your site grows, you might change your mind about what each section does or how it's labeled. And that's basically it. You've just added a brand new, separate page to your Wix website and given it a custom name. It'll instantly appear in the navigation menu, making it easy for visitors to find, and you can start dragging in text, images, or anything else to build out this new section. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to drop a comment below if you have questions, or if there's another Wix feature you'd like to learn more about. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful how-tos on web design and making the most out of your online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy building!